Let's start this bulletin with the big political updates that we are tracking this hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has criticized the Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal over the Sandesh Khali issue. Addressing a poll rally in Purulia, Modi alleged that the members of the TMC are raising questions on the characters of the sisters of Sandesh Khali and all this in order to protect their Shah Jahan. Listen in.
SC, ST परिवार की बहनों को तो टीएमसी के लोग इंसान ही नहीं समझते। अपने शाहजहां को बचाने के लिए टीएमसी के लोग संदेश खाली की बहनों को ही दोषी ठहरा रहे हैं, उनके चरित्र पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं। जैसी भाषा ये लोग उनके लिए बोल रहे हैं, इसका जवाब बंगाल की हर बेटी अपने वोट से टीएमसी को तबाह कर देगी।
Not just that, the Prime Minister also hit out at the Trinamool Congress for indulging in a scam over the recruitment of teachers, giving another guarantee. The Prime Minister said that this government will put the corrupt behind the bars after it forms the government at the centre after winning the Lok Sabha elections.
अब इसमें कह रहा हूं, मैं ये भ्रष्टाचारियों का जीना जेल के बाहर रहने नहीं दूंगा। आपके लूटने वालों पर चोट होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए। मोदी आज आपको एक और गारंटी दे रहा है। 4 जून के बाद नई सरकार बनते ही ऐसे हर भ्रष्टाचारी उनकी जिंदगी जेलों में ही बीतेगी।
My colleague Shreya joins us on the phone line to get us more information on this. Shreya, women's safety issue has been a major political point for the BJP ever since the Sandesh Khali issue broke out, and now the Prime Minister once again reiterating it in Purulia.
Of course, we have seen that ever since the election was declared, Sandesh Khali has been an issue for the BJP party to attack the TMC in the state. We have also seen that the scam tent on the West Bengal government has, been an issue for the BJP as well. Now, remember, this time around, we see Prime Minister Narendra Modi hits the TMC party, says that West Bengal government is the place which have done scams, the teacher recruitment scam he mentions. He says that, West Bengal is the land where Ma Saraswati is being prayed to, and this is the place where this kind of scams have happened. He also says about the Sandesh Khali incident that
Right, we'll try connecting with Shreya once again there. But meanwhile, we're also looking at the other statements that the Prime Minister made during his election speech in Bengal. The Prime Minister also criticized West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's comments about the Ramakrishna Mission and Bharat Sevashram Sangha, saying that these social religious organizations are in fact threatened to appease her vote bank. Now, at a rally in Purulia, the Prime Minister said that the TMC has gone too far by spreading false information about ISKCON, Ramakrishna Mission and also the Bharat Sevashram Sangha.
यहाँ की मुख्यमंत्री मुस्लिम कट्टरपंथियों के दबाव में वोट पाने के लिए हमारे संतों को, हमारे महान संगठनों को सार्वजनिक रूप से गालियां दे रही है।
Now, this is of course what the Prime Minister said, but just to give you a background of the exact speech of Mamata Banerjee that he was referring to. In fact, during an election rally in Goghat under the Arambagh Lok Sabha constituency on May 18, Banerjee had claimed that some monks of the Ramakrishna Mission and also the Bharat Sevashram Sangha are being influenced by the BJP leaders in Delhi. Listen in.
কার্তিক মহারাজ ভারত সেবা সংঘকে আমি খুব শ্রদ্ধা করতাম। আমার শ্রদ্ধার্ঘের একটা তালিকায় তারা অনেক দিন ধরে আছে। কিন্তু যে লোকটা বলে আমি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসকে এজেন্ট বসতে দেবো না, সে লোকটাকে আমি সাধু বলে মনে করি না। তার কারণ তিনি ডাইরেক্ট পলিটিক্স করে দেশটার সর্বনাশ করছেন। দিল্লি থেকে নির্দেশ আসে, বলে বিজেপিকে ভোট দেওয়ার জন্য বলো। কেন করবে সাধু সন্তরা এই কাজ?
My colleague Shreya joins us back on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Shreya, the Prime Minister, clearly they're attacking the TMC time and again. The BJP has painted Mamata Banerjee as an anti-Hindu leader, and now this particular comment has become a major source of controversy. Help us understand the context of Mamata Banerjee's comments and also the reaction by the BJP.
Of course, we have seen Mamata Banerjee day before yesterday have said that I know there is a Maharaj, he names Kartik Maharaj, says that I used to respect Bharat Seva's ashram, but they are respectable to me. But the person who says that I will not let TMC agents in, I don't think he is a saint. This is the comment that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee says. She tries to say that BJP is trying to influence these missions. Now, after that, Prime Minister Modi also slammed TMC for belittling the saints of Bengal and attacking Bharat Sevashram Sangh, Ramakrishna Mission. So, of course, this is the reaction of the BJP in the state after Mamata Banerjee makes a comment on the Sevashram Sangh.
Right, Shreya, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. Meanwhile, shifting tracks now.